Hello students, welcome to the lessons. So you are here to learn graphic design to become a graphic designer. Without understanding what is graphic design, you cannot be a graphic designer. Therefore, let's wrap some knowledge what is graphic design, what is vector graphics and raster graphics, and some fundamentals of graphic design before we move forward with software lessons. Simply, if you toggle to the Google search bar and type here what is graphic design, you can find so many results related to that. Okay, so if I toggle to the Wikipedia, let's see what they tell. So in here it says graphic design is process of visual communication through the use of typography, photography, iconography and illustrations. The field is considered a subset of visual communication and communication design, but sometimes the terms graphic design is used synonymously, right? So as a graphic designer, guys, you're gonna create and combine symbols, images and text to form visual representations of ideas and messages. So if you look at this flyer design, you can see it's combined iconographics, images, typographics, right, and illustrations to form visual communication. Based on that, graphic design is divided into two major graphics. They're called vector and raster graphics. So let's see what is vector graphics. So in here it says, more specifically, a vector graphics is artwork made up of points, lines and curves that are based upon mathematical equations rather than a solid colored square pixels. This means that no matter how large or small or how close you zoom in on the image, the lines, curves and points remain smooth. Okay, so let me clarify like this. Guys, Adobe Illustrator is the most powerful software where generating vector graphics. So after this introduction lessons, you are gonna learn how to build vector graphics via this software. So if I toggle to the software and if I draw any shape, something like this, that shape is combined with points and lines. Okay, as well as even I make it small, right, or even I make it enlarge, I can maintain the quality as it is. So that shape is never lose its quality. Also, if I zoom the document, it's not weave like pixelated. The lines and curves are maintain the smoothness level as it is. Okay, so now let's see what is raster graphics. So in here it says raster graphics, also called bitmap graphics, a type of digital image that uses tiny rectangular pixels or picture elements arranged in a grid formation to represent an image. So guys, Adobe Photoshop is the most powerful software where I can build and edit raster graphics of pixels. So if I toggle to the Adobe Photoshop and if I draw the same element on the Photoshop canvas, this element is generated with the combination of pixels. So if I zoom the document like this, right, you can see there are tiny squares which called pixels, and also you can see boundaries are not maintain its smoothness levels. You can see it's pixelated. Therefore, the quality of the element is depends on the document resolution that you are used when developing or working with raster elements. So later on I'll discuss about what is resolution. For the time being, keep in mind raster graphics are generating through pixels and vectors are generating through points and lines.